Automated weather observation 1751 Zulu. Wind 210 at 13 knots. Peak gusts 18 knots. Visibility more than 10.
Alright. Gauges in the green. 50. Bit of back pressure. Rotate at 60. Pitch for 80.
Okay, I think travel air A306 Delta is 5 miles to the north.
Alright. Gauges are looking good. Instructor seems happy.
I'm happy.
Wind is moving in our plane. Alright, we're going to get out of this guy's way.
Outlaw traffic, helicopter 1, Tango X-ray, base turning, final 17, stopping below. 757, yes, left stage for 20
And left traffic 518, entering up down 120, base traffic site, very like this.
John 2 traffic, Scout 80 Echo, right crosswind departure to the west. John 2 traffic.
So traffic 0483, turning downwind from 118.
Okay.
John 2 traffic, Kinger 621 Mike Julix on about a 3-mile final for John 2.
You want to do 3,500?
Yeah.
Okay. Try not to go that way.
Yeah, a little cell over there.
2 Tango X-ray is clear to 20 John 2. Tango X-ray, can you make a left Alpha right Romeo 4 to the ramp?
Check. Alright.
Traffic count 354 on the X-ray, gonna line up and wait on 20 John 2.
Tune Unicom, PHI.
What does VHI mean?
I don't know. BHI.
Contour Flight Management, PHI.
Go for contour.
Could you send some jet fuel out here to the helipad, please? Traffic, Kinger 621 Mike Julix, clear to the ramp.
Traffic Phenom 354, Romeo X-ray taking off T0 west on departure, John 10.
Want to go give the plane a bath over there?
No. So what would happen if we just went right through it?
Nothing. Get rained on.
Yeah. No weird downdraft kind of crazy thing, or
Shouldn't. I mean, you could, but you'd have to have some significant updrafts in that cell, because what can happen is, as that updraft happens and that air gets cool, it gets denser and it descends, and it kind of compacts and shrinks. But you you'd have to have kind of like a significant thunderstorm cell for that.
So, I'm having trouble locating
Traffic 354 Romeo
myself.
X-rays departing the
I'm
area.
having trouble locating
northwest
us on here.
Duncan.
Right there.
It's just this. Oh yeah, there we are. So these tops are clouds are, oh, we'll be good.
Yeah, we got a good opening here.
I do need a turn here. One over there. I feel like we're getting close to these.
Probably another 1,000 feet or so.
God, I have no way of judging that. So crazy. I would say that's like 200 feet or something.
You'd be surprised.
Yeah.
Maybe 500 base. Give me a left turn to 210.
Left turn, 210.
Good. Put me in a little slow plug.
Mountain traffic, Cirrus 315, November Lima on the ILS 20.
Did you say slip
Slow flight, yeah.
Okay. Hold on a second. I want to be able to tell us people where we are. The easiest way is just to go ahead and do this anyway, right?
Yeah, you can put it in there.
Not used to using Foreflight yet, to just use my thumb as a ruler. John 2 traffic, Skyhawk 80 Echo, 10 miles southwest of the field, maneuvering at 3,500. John 2 traffic. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. What could I have done better?
Nothing.
Okay, okay. Alright, slip light.
John traffic, helicopter 119ers 4 miles to the east at 1,300 with the Metro helicopter in sight. Maintain visual, going to be straight into the helipad, John 2.
John 2 traffic, Cirrus 315, November Lima, 8 miles to the south on the ILS 28.
an aircraft coming into the fuel pad at tune. I'll be low level here, 700 and below. Yeah, we got you, no factor.
I'm kind of getting off my heading here because I want to avoid that.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Maybe we'll maintain 3,000.
Okay.
Clear traffic, helicopter 119ers, 2 miles to the east. You're going to be straight into the helipad, Sean 2.
So we'll stay 240, 3,000 feet, and 60 knots.
Traffic helicopter 189er is half mile to the east, straight into the helipad, Sean 2.
And we'll do left turn to south.
Okay, I hadn't got on my speed yet.
Roger, traffic, vector 906 Sierra Lima, taxiing Romeo 1, Alpha, runway 20. John June traffic, Cirrus 315, November Lima, 4 mile final. 20, John.
Blowing my altitude pretty bad here.
You can just correct for it.
Yeah.
Traffic helicopter 189er is going to sidestep to the south for the vector and then land behind you on Romeo 1.
Sounds good. We've got you in sight, sir.
It just keeps climbing. Do you want me to pull it to idle?
If you have to, yeah.
Okay.
Give it a shot.
Guess I'm just going to go ahead and force a descent here.
Looks good. Maintaining airspeed. Looks good to me.
John June traffic, Sierra short final 20, John June.
Now take a minute. I don't know how I blew through that fast. I felt like my power was really low.
I think we caught a pretty good updraft.
Okay.
And it carried us up a little bit.
Okay. That was pretty fast. I was at like 1,500 or less.
And let's go left turn to east. You can recover from slow flight. Full power.
Oh, I never pulled the car beat.
That's okay. But yeah, you want to go car beat power flaps.
Now I'm just hauling ass. Is that okay?
Or we can set power back.
Okay. Alright.
And let's go left turn to north. And you can take your time on it, but go ahead and take me back towards the airport.
Okay. Do I have to finish this turn over here?
No, let's go ahead and let's do it.
Okay.
Maybe a before landing checklist.
Okay. All right, approach has been briefed. We're just gonna do a standard landing, or are we gonna try to do a short field?
We'll start with the standard landing.
All right, seatbelt secure, fuel selector set to both. Mixture rich, carb as required, lights as required, flaps as required.
All right, we're 9 miles out.
Yep.
And we got to get weather still too.
More than 10. Sky condition scattered at
volume's down here.
4,400.
Johnson Unicom, you up?
1,000.
Sorry.
Broken at 7,000. Temperature 1 Celsius. Dew point. Inches of mercury.
Pressed in the comm and it.
270.
Runway 20 is the calm wind runway.
Missed all that.
Calm winds are
8 miles out.
Yeah.
Frequency bleed over may occur
Turn around.
1.75
What do you think?
nautical miles.
I feel rushed.
Well, let's
There is
maybe do a
activity
360.
in the vicinity of the airport. Air traffic control tower construction is underway east of midfield. The tower is not yet operational.
Continue past the STL, you'll see him on your right. John C. Toon Airport. Automated weather observation 1817 Zulu. Wind 250 at 14 knots. Peak gusts 24 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition broken at 4,400. Broken at 6,000. Broken at 7,000. Temperature 1 Celsius. Dew point 1 Celsius. Altimeter 3 inches of mercury. Remark. Density altitude 2,000.
Alright, so altimeter and wind.
Altimeter is set. The wind is crazy. So that is 250 at 14, gusting to 24.
Okay, doesn't mean it's necessarily gusting now, just they noted a peak gust of 2.4. But, okay, so what runway we're using?
We are going to use runway 20.
Okay, and you can do a direct enter and it'll realign from your position to the airport. Alright, now we got some more time. Let's go ahead and do it. We'll have to make a call pretty soon.
Yeah, alright. John 2 traffic, Scott 80 Echo, 9 miles west of the field, bound for the 45 downwind, runway 20, John 2 traffic.
Alright, pretty good. I would just maybe add your altitude next time.
Damn it. I knew I was forgetting something.
Traffic, vector 9060, Lima, departing runway 20. Will depart the pattern to the southwest.
John Tain traffic, the traffic that's on final for 20, how far out are you?
Yeah, we're 6.9 right now.
Okay, I'm a King Air, I'm gonna get in front of you here.
Yeah, no worries. There's plenty of time.
Alright, got runway in sight.
John Tain traffic, this King Air 621 Mike Juliet getting ready to depart runway 20. We got the vector in sight there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and vector 60 Lima will make an early right crosswind to the southwest for the departing King John Tain.
Sir.
Johnson traffic, Skog 80 Echo, 5 miles west of the field, inbound for the 45 downwind, runway 20 at 2,500 feet. Johnson traffic.
To traffic here is 36 Alpha Juliet is a 5 mile final on the ILS 20.
And 80 Echo, the light's forward at 12 o'clock, 3 miles. We'll turn westbound. You can pass south of us.
80 Echo. I'll just kind of stay.
He's staying in the pattern?
I think, thought that's him on a blend. Where's the light sports position? Stay to the right a little bit.
To traffic, Cirrus,
Go ahead, curl into down one.
3 mile final, 2045.
Good.
To traffic, helicopter 189er taking off, parallel taxiway 20, left turn out, east departure, John 2.
Okay, should be no factor. He's above us.
John 2 traffic, Skog 80 Echo, entering the downwind on the 45 for runway 20, John 2 traffic.
Alright.
To traffic, Cirrus 536 Alpha, short final, 20.
So you have someone on short final. Let's watch pattern altitude. So where's your traffic?
Tour final.
Got him in sight?
Yep.
Alright, cool.
Thank you for checking me. It's not very often that I do feel like I have everything in sight. It really isn't. I can't wait to be used to it. So, is this a short field or just like a get it down if you
just
can?
do normal.
Yeah, because this is pretty crazy. Again. Now I probably need to add some speed.
70 looks pretty good.
Okay. John 2 traffic, Skog 80 Echo, right base, runway 20, John 2 traffic.
We'll just use 20 degrees flaps. Leave out the 30 here.
Yeah.
About 65 to 70
To
knots.
traffic, 536 Alpha, clearing 20 Alpha 2, and we'll be back to the hangars.
John 2 traffic, Skog 80 Echo, final runway 20, John 2 traffic. A little steep, I don't like that. This is just that headwind, huh?
Yep, we got a strong headwind, that's for sure.
Whoa, I've never experienced this.
Got a little headwind, just pulled some power. Get back to slope. There you go. Now reduce a little bit. Good. Don't blow through it. There you go. Whoa. Coming right down the runway.
A little bit of a crosswind.
Great. great. Speed's perfect. Beautiful. Flaps up.
Ooh.
Very nice.
Flaps up, car viewed in. Throttle. Right rudder, center line. Whoa, crosswind. Going on. 55, we gotta get some pressure.
Full power and you're up. Oh yeah. Team traffic, Scout 80 Echo is upwind 202. Very good. Just float it a little bit, bring it down a little lower.
Yeah.
But other than that, I really like it.
Yeah, I was kind of taking my time with it.
Yep.
Because it just felt like that the headwind was wanting to make the plane keep going.
Right.
Keep lifting. But I'll try to get down a little faster.
No, you handled it well. That's good. Good management on the power.
John 2 traffic, Skyhawk 80 Echo, right crosswind, runway 20, John 2 traffic. But yeah, it seems, whoa. Seems generally like trying to do anything precision oriented is not the best idea right now.
No, let's just play with this wind a little bit.
Yeah.
Just do normal landings.
And it's definitely enough for me. John 2 traffic, Skyhawk 80 Echo, right downwind runway 20, John 2 traffic. Get around. Get around. Boy, that tailwind. It's just making me slosh through this. This is different.
Looking good, you're doing great.
Very different. I don't hear anybody, I don't see anybody.
Nope, looks clear.
Whew. Somebody's looking to take off here. Whoa. Power beat in. Power to 15. Try to leave a little bit more power in.
No, I think you're okay here.
Okay.
Let's just get in the white arc and get your flap in.
Yeah.
Interesting, he just took the runway without calling.
Yeah.
John 2 traffic, citation 922 Tango X-ray, departing on runway 20, John 2.
Yes, you are.
I guess so, huh?
Yeah.
We see that.
Yeah. John 2 traffic, Skyhawk 80 Echo, right base, runway 20, John 2 traffic. Like, what's that line in an airplane? It's handling like a wet sponge. That's what it feels like.
Yep. Yeah, you had a big tailwind there. That's 10 knots.
A little high.
John 2 traffic, citation 922 Tango X-ray, departing to the south, John 2.
Woo! John 2 traffic, Skyhawk 80 Echo, final runway 20, John 2 traffic.
When you got a headwind like this, airspeed is your friend.
Yeah, I'm trying to do everything about 5 knots faster. Maybe you should be even doing more than that.
You're looking pretty good.
Alright. A little high.
Just don't be afraid to use that throttle if you need it. If the other stuff gets slowed up.
Yeah, thank you.
You gotta work it.
Yeah.
Chopper traffic, helicopter 189er is about 4 miles to the east at 1,100 inbound. Gotcha.
I think this is kind of what you mean.
Yep.
Oh, that really sent us up, huh?
Yeah, so just reduce a little bit. Good.
I'll take this one a little long here, or go around. Stand by.
Like you're in control. Speed's perfect. Good.
That was some work, man.
It was.
Okay.
So go ahead and call it on that.
Yeah.
Alright, just slow, take me down to the next taxiway. I'm impressed.
Ooh.
That was very impressive, man. Good job. That was not easy.
Tell me more. That was,
It makes me feel good seeing you handle that.
yeah, I mean, it's one of those things
This
where...
thing's moving through, I think it's just
Yeah.
picking up the wind. So it was a little shorter today, and
Yeah.
we didn't do maybe,
Yeah, okay.
everything we wanted, but
We flew.
that was really productive.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was good, because you just handled that wind
Yeah.
like a man.
All right.
We just pretty quickly changed that to a gusty, turbulent
I held
version of what we were doing. So, very nice.
Can you raise my minimum by 1 knot now?
Yeah, I think you earned it. Personal minimums bumped from 5 to 7.
to
right
6.
there. You at least gained a knot.
John 2 traffic, Scott 80 Echo, clear of runway 20, John 2 traffic.
Alright,
Man.
gotta clean her up. Got an arm workout.
That was, that's one of those things too where it's like, am I doing this right? I feel like I'm just doing everything that needs to get done.
It's good because you weren't fighting it. You were just kind of taking your punches and rolling with it.
Yeah. Brown, PD off, carburetor cold. Throttle down, flaps up, lights as required. Turn off nav, turn off strobe, turn off landing. We'll leave the beacon and the taxi. Mixture lean. After landing checklist complete. John 2 traffic, Scott 80 Echo taxi. Alpha 2 meters. John 2 traffic.
What time's our lesson tomorrow?
6 a.m.
Yeah, you wish, huh?
Yeah. Or maybe it's 5 a.m. I can't remember.
So where's your yoke go right now?
Into the wind.
Nice.
And yeah, thank you.
It takes a lot to knock you around on the ground, but it can happen.
Oh yeah. It takes me a minute just to get out of the head mindset of just being in just a headwind.
Right. It's different. In a weird, well, that was kind of gusty, knocking us around, but in a weird way, sometimes it kind of helps because you want to touch down at a slow speed,
Yeah. Yeah, on that last landing, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to lose the altitude in a comfortable way. But then it just kind of, the push kind of gave way from it, and I kind of took advantage of it.
Yeah.
Knowing that I had airspeed to pick up a little bit anyway.
Yeah, that was nice. So when you turn to the right, now where's your wind coming from?
It's gonna be a headwind again.
Yep, so you just go neutral aileron.
Yeah. There's 3
and
Charlie
neutral.
Sierra. Please. Park wherever you can. It's a free-for-all. I hope somebody didn't get our spot. I bet Delta Papa did.
I think we're still there.
Yeah, I mean, it is one of those things where I want to get stuff on my agenda done, you know, whatever, but
no, but that counts. We're moving to the next lesson.
that was a really good experience for me to have.
Good confidence booster there too, because you.
Well, the last few have been kind of like this.
Yeah, that was hard
next
for
level.
a private pilot to do right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell me more.
I mean, I had a peak gust of 24 in there. Who knows what it got up to?
Yeah.